how to fix GroupMe app not working. Open up the settings on your iPhone and then use the search bar at the bottom to search for iPhone storage. Right here, click on iPhone storage and then you want to find the GroupMe app. So right here, I'm going to sort it by last used date, and you can also sort it by name size, and you will just find the app right here. So click on the app itself, GroupMe, and then you have to select offload app. And once you offload the app, you will need to click on reinstall app. This is just going to verify the files of your app, and if there are any issues with the app and it not working, this is going to solve them. So just like that, you need to wait for it to say offload app again, and now it means that your app is set up and now you can use it. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.